If you measure from the outer corner of her eye to the inner corner of her eye, to the center, to this eye, between the two tear ducts, that area is slightly wider than the size of Selvi's eye. That means that she has wide set eyes. I'm going to look at the shape now. So between her lashes and her crease, and her crease and her brow, it's pretty evenly spaced. And if you look at the end of Selvi's eyes, she's got almond shaped eyes. On the top here, it goes down slightly. So you could say it's downturned eyes, but very, very slight. Now, because Selvi has slightly downturned eyes, I'm going to actually start a millimeter before the edge and apply the color there. Because as I blend it out, I'll have space to do that. Selvi has a nice almond-shaped eye. I want to elongate her eyes. So I'm pulling it out. And if you notice, I'm not going in where I applied the color. I'm really just blending that color on the edge outwards so that it disappears. And I want to emphasize a bit more roundness in Selvi's eyes. So using my highlight color, which is also a neutral color, I'm creating that roundness in the center of the eye. And this is contouring the eye on the go. And I'm using it as a halo in that highlighted area. You can see right there, I've left a space. So for the halo, I used this orangey color. And for that spot in the middle, I'm going to use this color. So it's really just a play on colors going from light to dark. It's all about where the light is going to catch. And where you want the light to catch will depend on the shape of the face. I'm going to grab a little bit of the color really on the tip. And I'm not going to go to the edge because I've already blended that out. I'm just going to go in this corner. And the color that I'm using here is a matte, a deep matte. And what that will do is it'll absorb all the light. I want to elongate that eye. I've given it the roundness that I want, and I just need to elongate it. And I'm going to do that with an eye pencil. I'm lifting Selvi's eyes, close for me, and I'm going to go right in there and color along the lash line. I don't need to be too accurate with this because I'm going to blend it out. But if I don't lift it up, I'm going to take real estate on her eyelid, and I really want to get into the lashes. So just look down, open your eyes and look down, and I'm going to go in here underneath. So I'm using that same color as I did in the corners, and I'm going to go over that pencil right inside here. Close for me, Selvi. And just get in there. I can bring the eyeshadow all the way in because Selvi has wide set eyes. She's got the space to play with. So I'm going to go inside her where her skin joins there, and I'm going to line that. I'm going to lift up, and that's just to elongate the eye a little bit. I'm going to line Selvi's eye there and connect it. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you found some value in it. If you enjoyed it, please share it with your friends so we can grow the Makeup Kit community strong. And don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss my weekly videos. Until next time, take care everybody.